Did you know that the majority of Chinese people have 204 bones, while the majority of American people have 206? The reason is pedal biphalangism. Pedal biphalangism is when two bones in your toe fuse together, so instead of three bones, you only have two. As you can see in the picture, it is most common in the pinky toe, and when it occurs, it usually affects both feet. The reason for pedal biphalangism is DNA mutation. Having pedal biphalangism first occurred long ago to a Chinese person. Instead of being harmful, it helped stabilization and was passed on to that person's children. Why it became really common in China but not many other places in the world is because the majority of the Chinese people are distantly related while other countries are more genetically diverse. The question now is, do Chinese evolve faster than Americans? The answer is no, because we need DNA mutations to evolve and it is random. Just because most people in China are distantly related, it is easier for a positive mutation to be passed on.